DJ.
Ah. Bye.
Di ba ka?
What?
Pautangan na ang kailangan ko.
Ano more money? Awang kwartak.
Apo, nagad-ado ko. Ang pautangan na. Bayadak to lang. Biid lang. Tunang sweldo ak bayadak to.
You're not even gonna pay me back again. How much you utang already?
Nagbaybayad na ang BJ.
No, I used to owe me like $200.
Tata lang. Bayadak. 200 nga.
Yeah.
Binayadak lang ang king kan.
No, you never.
Itid kunto amin nung pautangan naktatitid kunto amin. Tunog sweldo nak lang. Ano ko?
I'm going on a vacation.
Siguro, before ka mapan, I'll give you. Wala, tata lang, promise.
Before, next thing you know, you're not gonna give me again?
No, I'll give you. Promise. At ang kwarta ko.
Where are you going? That's why you going out again with your friends.
No.
What you
No.
buy Gucci or Louis Vuitton manen?
Torpe. Alam na kung.
Yeah, whatever. I'll Venmo you.
Okay, Venmo me now. Venmo me now. Okay?
Okay.